Alright, got the Dynam Grand Cruiser on deck. Winds are currently calming down a little bit. Very variable. Just switched from the southeast to the kind of a westerly, but it's not super strong, so we're just going to take off to the north. We'll go with one tick of flaps, and here we go. Got the rollout, full throttle, back pressure, and we are up and away. Gears up, flaps are up. This is flying on a 3S 3000 Genzace battery. However, it is only a 15C battery. I didn't recognize it when I put it in my shopping cart, and so it doesn't have a lot of punch, but it's just slightly bigger than a normal 2200. So when you're just flying a scale flight like this, where you're not being a power hog, it does okay. I certainly would not use this in an EDF plane or anything that you're looking to be a speed demon with. You got to fly it on this battery at about 75% throttle in order to maintain your thrust line. We'll make us a pass here in front of us. No throttle, just coasting. A little bit of throttle there to keep her up. There's full throttle line. Not real speedy, like I said, with that battery. If you keep your throttle 70% or so on this, 75 for the whole flight, you'll get a good 4.5–5 minutes easy. Another low pass. Texas sun is brutal. It's not even 8 o'clock. Already approaching upwards to 90 degrees out here. I still got a few mods I need to do to this. I want to smoke out the windows, not all the way black, just get a little transparent black and spray on there, smoke them out a little. And I want to put some suspension struts on it, preferably trailing link. I purchased a set of Hobby King trailing link suspension, but in looking at it, the tires are actually even smaller than the ones that are on here, so I wasn't real keen on that. I think I'll get one with a little bigger tire. think I found some on eBay. They run about 40 bucks or so, 39, 30, 38, something like that. I can't remember. All right, we'll make us a gear pass here. We'll come around for a landing. Gears deployed. ×3. All right, now we will see if we can come in on our approach and get a butter smooth set down. One or two little dance offs, but still pretty smooth on the touch. Yeah, with that carbon spar that's been, our two of them, it's been added to the wings, gives a lot more stability. You can see on the ground it doesn't quite have that pool noodle effect. Alright, Dynam Grand Cruiser. Thanks for watching.